때 literally means time. Noun 때. So you can say 고등학교 때 when I was in high school time. 대학교 때 when I was in college time. You can also use with the noun modifying form 을 때, consonant 을, vowel, 리을 underneath plus 때. When I am tired, 피곤하다, 피곤할 때. When I am happy, 행복하다, 행복할 때. 여러분은 뭐 할 때 행복해요? 저는 먹다, 먹을 때 행복해요. 저는 한국 드라마 보다, 볼 때 행복해요. BTS 노래 듣다. Now, this 듣다 is irregular. So instead of 들을 때, it becomes 들을 때. BTS 노래 들을 때 행복해요. 저는 친구들이랑 놀다. When the verb stem ends with 리을 underneath already, then we don't do anything. 친구랑 놀 때 행복해요. A lot of times you hear 어릴 때, when I was younger, when I was a little kid. 어리다, to be young. 어릴 때. I heard 어렸을 때 because it was the past. Sometimes people use it too. 어렸어요, past tense. And you change this 어요 to 을, 어렸을 때. Both are used. 여러분은 뭐 할 때 제일 행복해요? 저도 그래요.